Hi everyone, this is Mr. Campagna. Today we're going to be taking a look at a very interesting analogy. We're going to look at how a college dorm can help us understand energy levels of electrons inside atoms. So here's today's lesson objective. We're going to explain how energy is gained or lost as electrons move from one energy level to another. Here's your analogy. Diego is finally going to college. He's very excited. He's going to live in a 4-floor dorm full of athletes, all of whom have their own weights and equipment for their sports. Unfortunately, the dorm has no elevator. Everyone will have to carry all of their things up the stairs. It's a modest-looking dorm room. So using common knowledge and the information from the passage that we just read, answer these next 3 questions. Moving into the dorm. As you may know, an analogy is when something is similar to something else in an important way. Today, you are going to learn about the emission spectrum of hydrogen using an analogy. Here's the analogy. Diego is finally going to college. Because of the students wanting to live on the lower floors so that they do not get so tired out carrying their things, the college has a rule that you pay more money to move down and you earn money to move up. Each floor has a dollar amount, and you find the cost of a move by subtracting. Money earned or spent equals dollar amount of final floor minus dollar amount of initial floor. All right, so let's test your understanding. If you wanted to earn money, would you move up to a higher floor or down to a lower floor? So Angel, he's our first example. Angel moves from floor 1 to floor 2. Now, the way that you do the calculations is its cost of move is final take away initial. So where was his final location? He went from floor 1 to floor 2. So his ending location was second floor, which was a payment of $3.40. So subtract $3.40. Now we need to subtract out the location that he moved from. He started off on floor 1. Floor 1 had a cost of $13.60. So in this case, $13.60. And remember, it is subtract. So it would be negative $3.40, take away negative $13.60. That would give you, if you just punch it into a calculator, that would give you $10.20, equating to him earning money. So he earned $10.20. Next is Diana. Diana goes from 3 to 2. So she started off on the 3rd floor and she moved down a flight to the 2nd floor. So what are we going to put here? Right, $3.40. And why is that? Because her ending location was on the 2nd floor. So that's why it's $3.40. Notice it's the same for these two. It's the same between Angel and Diana, and these two are the same as well. Now we subtract out the initial location. In this case, her initial location was floor 3. Floor 3 was $1.51, so we're going to subtract out negative $1.51. Let's try and keep in mind that all the numbers that we're working with here are negatives, and they are negative because they're payments or cost. Okay, so negative 340 minus negative 151 comes out to negative 189, meaning she pays. She's at a loss. At this point, you should be able to answer those remaining 3 questions on here. Same thing, just follow the pattern that I showed you. Don't forget your formula. Remember, the money earned or spent equals the dollar amount of the final floor minus the dollar amount of the initial floor. And with a little bit of logical deduction, you should be able to figure out the answers to the remaining questions. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.